Welcome back to Visa Life, your trusted partner in helping healthcare professionals find job opportunities in the UK with Visa sponsorship. We are a UK-based immigration and recruitment agency, and today we are bringing you 5 new active job offers directly from employers. If you're looking for a Visa-sponsored role, this video is for you. So let's dive into these amazing opportunities. As always, let's quickly go over the eligibility criteria for these roles. For care workers roles, all you need is a UKVI IELTS score of 4 bands or above. No experience or qualifications are required, as on the job you will get the training by the employer. For nursing positions, candidates must have completed the NMC registration, CBT and OET. Employers will support you through the OSCE exam to ensure you are ready for the UK healthcare system. Now it's time to explore these amazing job opportunities. Our first opportunity is at Epilepsy Society, which provides specialized care for individuals with epilepsy. They offer a supportive and therapeutic environment to help individuals lead fulfilling lives despite their condition. Care workers will support individuals with epilepsy in managing their daily activities, assist with personal care, and provide emotional support to improve their quality of life. Hey, you know what? We love hearing your success stories. Many candidates have secured job offers through our channel and are working in the UK, and it seriously makes us very happy. However, we have noticed some comments saying they are not getting the jobs. Don't be discouraged, as sometimes applications might take longer than you think. Being persistent here is a key. Keep applying for different roles and trust the process. Good things take time, but it's worth the wait. We want to remind you that we only bring active job offers directly from employers, no middlemen involved. This gives you a better chance of success and also keeps you still clear of all the scams. So keep sharing your CVs, as your dream job might be just a click away. Moving on to Ermington House Care Home, a caring and supportive environment for elderly residents. They aim to provide personalized care, helping residents lead their independent and comfortable lives. Now, as a healthcare assistant here, you will be assisting with personal care, support daily activities, and offer emotional and physical care to the residents. Also, you will be ensuring their well-being and comfort. By the way, don't miss out on any of the future job opportunities with Visa sponsorship. Like and follow our page to stay updated on the latest active jobs from employers across the UK. Get instant notifications about exciting new roles that are ready for you to apply. Next opportunity is Everdale Grange Residential and Nursing Care Home, who are committed to providing exceptional care in a warm and friendly environment. Their focus is on delivering personalized care plans tailored to each resident's needs. Now, as a care assistant here, you are responsible to provide personal care, assist with daily activities, and offer emotional support to enhance residents' lives, ensuring they feel valued and comfortable. If this sounds like your dream job, then it's time for you to apply. Check out the description box below for all the details. Next, we have Evergreen Care Services Limited, that provides high-quality care for individuals in their homes and across care facilities. They focus on promoting independence and well-being for all their clients. Care workers will provide home care services, assist with daily living, and ensure the emotional and physical well-being of their clients. They will work directly with individuals to enhance their quality of life. Finally, we have Evermore Care Limited, that offers specialized care services to elderly residents and individuals with various health conditions. Their mission is to deliver high-quality care with dignity and respect. Care assistants will assist with personal care, support daily activities, and offer emotional and social care to ensure the comfort and well-being of the residents. If any of these roles sounds like a good fit for you, be sure to send your CV to the provided contact emails in the description box below. Our team is here to help you throughout your job application process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting job opportunities with Visa sponsorship. Visa Live is here to assist you every step of the way. Keep applying, stay positive, and your dream job could be just a click away. See you in the next video.